Kayo lang, boys. Tapos lin-EQ mo dun sa sa chorus. Kayo lang, boys. Counting lang muna. Concentrate. Look there, look there.
Kaya lang.
So what are you saying?
No, just saying.
5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Counting
2,
stop.
3.
Ready. Pag sabi ko,
Bilang ka din.
5, 6, 7, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Concentrate. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Snap! 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Snap! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Oh.
Go, yo. Kaya mo yan.
Go. Okay.
Kaya mo naman, hindi mo lang siya ma-put together. So, I will give you time to memorize it. Tonight, o mamaya, tulog nyo, namnamin nyo, okay? And then tomorrow, dapat, kahit sa panaginip nyo,
Habang natutulog.
oo,
Hindi ako matulog pag hindi ko magawa.
Okay lang mukha mo. Oh, you have to get, kailangan, kids, ayan na, don't try to put yourself down. You know, kailangan meron din kayong believe sa sarili nyo. You have to have faith in you. I mean, if you can't have faith in you, then I can't have faith. I mean, I can't believe it if you don't believe this sa sarili nyo. So you gotta put here that you can do it. And then, 90% it could work if you just put it here. Diba? So don't say that you won't be able to because you gotta try it and then you can do it. Play. Play. Ang init dito
Sorry.
Is it really hot here or it's just me? It is hot. They close the aircon. Okay. Okay. Sorry. From the top, please, guys. So good, Very good job. One more time. And then I will take it from the top, until you get it right. I will not give up until you get it. From the top. So hot, no? What the hell? Hindi. Baka pinatay nila yung aircon. My goodness. Simulang-simula.
Nakalimutan ko na.
Ayun.
Okay.
Okay. Boys and girls, I will take it from the very top, but I'll just do counting, and then we will do it with the music. Okay, go to your position first. Boys, start here because we don't have space. Girls, doon na kayo, di ba? Sila munang sasayaw. Dito kayo, anak, Dad, and Mark. Counting lang si Miss Jo. 5, you come in first, boys. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Pasok, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exit. Go, girls. Okay, pumasok na kayo, girls.
5.
Christian, I really like it because you're trying to be there. You're really concentrating. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Mom is very proud of you. Good job, boy. And girls, take it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mas maarte.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Chin
7,
up.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,
Kisses. You
4,
gotta turn there.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hips. 1, 2, 3, pose. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1.
16 counts. 3, 4. Ready, boys? I'll tell you when to come in, boys. 2.
2, 3,
Hindi pa, boys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pasok, boys. Pasok pa lang. 3, 4, 5, 6. Go, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. And establish. Stay there. Okay. Girls, can I see your position before you do the 16 counts na walk? Wait a minute. Boys, step back lang, children. So you ended up here, di ba? You ended up here. So kisses you first. You and May move forward. Sige, lakad na, May. Lakad. Dito ka, di ba? Yung lakad na 16 counts. Oh. Forward na. Forward. Lumakad na kunyari. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Di ba? Lumakad na kayo. Palakad na. And then, Maria, dito ka, diba? Dito ka na, directly back. Vibe will take the center para your complement. So the 2A, the 16 counts, you stay here, directly back. Okay, then you do this here. So you're center na. Can I take it from there? 5, 6, para complement kay ni Maria. Kasi yung height eh. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doon ka na, Steph. Just change with Maria. One more time. Can I take it from here, please? Ayan, lumalamig na. One more time. I'll take it from here, children. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and change blocking, please. 1, 2, okay, stop. Can you go back? Who's passing in the front? Si Kisses, tapos step sa harap ka ni Maria. One more time. Dun sa change. Ano yun, vibe? Pagka naglalakad, ikot ka lang sa place mo. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, and go. Sa lakad lang. Go change step. Go change, go, change. No. Step you in front of her. Stephanie. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan. Girl, Gitna, girl. From the top with the music. Concentrate na, girls. Girls, contest to. Contest. Kailangan may manalo.
Pero, 5 or
5, walang ganun. Isa lang ang Miss Universe parate.
play.
And boys, kayo muna. Pasok, boys. 3, 4, 5, 6. Go, boys.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Kisses.
3, go.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2. Ready? Yes. 1, 2. 8. 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys na, boys.
Five, six, seven, and 1, 2.
Stay. I'll tell you when to move. And down. Pag sinabi kong girls, down. Automatic to girls. Tapos boys, nakatayo lang kayo dyan. One more time, from the very top. Boys, I will not tell you when to come in, ha? You count. Kisses, you gotta move a little bit faster. 5, 6.
Layo lang.
5,
6,
6,
7,
7, 8.
and
5, 6, 7, 8. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Uy. Choreo. One, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 2, ready, 5, 6, wait lang boys, 1, 2, 3, 4, pasok boys, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, everybody, 1, 2,
5, 6, 7, 8.
maliim pa, stay. You will see me, so you gotta stay, because they do the shot. You gotta do it. And then I'll tell you, go girls. Do this, you gotta go do this. After this, boys exit. Marco exit first. No. Wait a minute. Boys, come back. Anak, come back. Marco exit. Babes, Edward follow. Christian, go. Young, follow. And then after nyan, ilalagay yung microphone dito. So, okay, the microphone is here. You start kisses. Go. Say something. Say your name, your age, and where you from.
Kisses Delavine, 17, Masbate, Bicol.
Go back, then follow. Go.
Mary Dale and Tata, 19, Cagayan de Oro City.
Go back. Then you, Stephanie.
Stephanie Vice, 19, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
Go back. Then you, Maria.
Maria Fabiana, 18, Rio de Janeiro, Brasil.
Go back. And then you.
Fivery Escrito, 16, Bohol, Philippines.
Wow. Okay. Don't move na. After that, ito na yung reprise. You will do this again. Go back, Vibe.
Mike.
Vibe. Say mo nga yung reprise, please. Pati kayo, boys, papasok.
Marco Gallo, 15 Milano.
Oh.
Sarap.
Play mo nga. Dun sa kabilang CD na yun.
Ayaw po, teacher.
Oo.
Eh, baka meron dito.
Wala. Isa lang ata yan eh. Mela?
Ay, wala.
Wala. Palit mo, palit mo.
Light orange, but still Flora.
After nyan, girls, may 4/8 eh. Balik lang kayo, dyan ka na. 5, 6, 5. So, tak, tak, 5, something, tan, tan. And then, hindi ko, pakinggan mo. Play mo. Three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Dito ko na lang papapasukin yung boys.
Sa
Hindi na sa
reprise
isa. Oo, sa reprise na. Boys, doon na kayo pumasok. The first time that you're supposed to do that, don't come in anymore.
After nila mag-self-intro.
So that after we
So,
go off, we don't come on.
kakainin yung ganun nila. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So after we go off, we don't come on again.
Bali, Teach, dito na sila mag-start sa, ano nila.
Dito na. Boys, you don't do the first time that I told you, diba? So, right after they do the self-in. So, the first 8 is you come in, so you don't do the first 8 anymore. Come in. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you pick it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Stop. Now you do this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. That's for your part. Did you get that? So the very first 8 is you don't do this because that's the part where you come in. One more time.
So you don't
One
do
more
this.
time.
So I think when we come in, we do
The
this.
first 8. No, do that.
Lin, i-take natin sa kay Vibe, yung sa reprise. Ready, girls, ha? Natapos si Vibe, tapos i-cue ko na lang yan. Boys, exit muna. I'll tell you to come in 1-8. Pag nag-chorus, boys, 1-8 ang pasok, children. And play mo nga, Lin. 2. Pasok, boys! 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stop. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ulit! 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose. Girls lang. And our hosts for tonight, Robbie Domingo and Bianca Gonzalez. Boys, exit. Girls, pag sinabi yung host, kung sino man yung host, pag ganyan, yan, di ba? And then, pag sinabi yung pangalan ng host, girls, down, and then clap, open up, bababa kami tayo yung Lin. Our host for tonight, Joanne and Lin. Tingin kayo sa amin, girls. Tingin kayo. Mari, look at me. You have to acknowledge. Yan. O-open up ka ng slide, baby girl. You gotta adjust also. Okay, can I take it from the last post? I'll feel this. Okay. Vibe, nasa gitna ka pa. And our host for tonight, Teacher Joanne and Teacher Lynn. Look at me. I-acknowledge yung host. And balik, Vibe. Balik ka sa gitna. Yan. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, from the very top. I-take uli yung reprise.
I want Vibe Uli back.
When you say your name, you have to make it a little bit loud. Tapos dapat merong power. Not have powers.
Teach, pinakata.
Yung ano muna, reprise. Yung natapos kay Vibe.
Go, girls.
Are you
Kaya
tired?
yan.
No. Oh, from where?
Stephanie.
Kaya yan, guys.
Saan po?
Take natin dun sa ending niya, sa self-intro. Sa lastly. Kuhain mo sa salita, ha? And, sabihin mo yung pangalan mo. So,
Vibery Espito, 16, Bohol, Philippines.
okay. Sorry, Lynn. Okay, this is one more thing that I always tell my candidate. When you're saying your name, you just look at the camera where I tell you to look because this is the thing. The shot is here, but you're looking there. Angela! You just look straight. I'll tell you when to. Huwag masyadong malikot. Don't move it a little bit. And sa'yo, baby girl. Go, Lynn. Look tall, children. And then play, Lynn. Go. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Boy, boys! Stop, stop.
7, 8.
Diba, boys? Huli mo nga, magsalita ka. Boys, listen ah. Out muna, out. And, sabi mo yung pangalan mo, girl. Go.
Viper Espedo, 16, Bohol, Philippines.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Third. Huli. Ha. Ha. 1, 2. Stop. Third. Ang ganda ng girls. One more time. Girls are beautiful. One more time. Surprisingly, I'm surprised. One more time. Boys na lang. Paano ba, boys?
I'm having a problem.
Okay. Same marker. Sabihin mo muna yung pangalan mo. Boys, ah. And, boys, 1-8. Tapos dito lang ang pasok. Oh. Okay. Sabihin mo yung pangalan mo, guys.
Viper Espedo, 16, Bohol, Philippines.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. Okay. And our host for tonight, Teacher Lynn and Teacher Joanne. Exit, boys. Clap your hands, girls. And go back to your position. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Are you excited? Okay, now we'll review the first one. This is the reprise. Pag sinabi ko sa inyo bukas na, reprise, eto, this is the reprise. Pag sinabi ko sa inyo bukas na, reprise, eto yun. Yung reprise after ng self-intro. Gawin natin ngayon yung totoong dance. Tap, tap. Mauna yung voice, yung may ganun voice.
I don't know. I don't need to have it.
Okay.
From the very, very top.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't get confused. This is the dance one. The other one is the dance two. The dance two is when you start here. The dance one is when you start here. So that's the one. Dance one.
Okay.
Go.
We're here now.
Pasok.
So should we go?
My head's like this.
Pasok. 5, 6, 7, 8. Exit, boys. Look tall, girls. Look tall. Internalize the part. Think like a beauty queen. 1.
Oh my God. I forgot. Oh.
Hands down, please. Hands down. Go.
Kisses Delavine, 17, Masbate, Bicol.
Go.
Marydale Entrata, 19, Cagayan de Oro City.
Walk sexy. Go, Stephanie.
Stephanie Paz, 19, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
Nice.
Maria Fabiana.
Five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mike, are you serious wrong? Okay, let's have eh. Tsaka yung tawa niya.
Yeah, as in,
Yung tayo.
Just Pablo's.
Gandaan niyo yung lakad, Jessica.
Oh, next naman yung jump.
Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm waiting. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Makes
Perfect.
Wait, ano?
Okay, come here, stop barking.
me go there. Okay? But when I look at you, okay, from the very top. Isa lang ang goal. Ano?
Tapos,
What's up, boys?